Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the latest news and chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. Today we're looking at the AUDUSD currency pair, and things are looking interesting. The Australian dollar has been on a tear against the US dollar, recently hitting a 19-month high, driven by a combination of factors, including a weaker US dollar and stronger-than-expected economic data from Australia. Let's start with the daily chart, which shows the big picture. We can see that the AUDUSD has been in a strong uptrend since the beginning of September, breaking out of a consolidation pattern around the 0.68 level. This breakout was confirmed by a surge in volume, indicating strong buying pressure, and the price has been steadily climbing higher ever since. However, we also notice some signs of exhaustion in the recent price action. The daily candles are getting smaller, and the price is trading near its recent highs. This suggests that the buyers may be running out of steam. Let's switch to the hourly chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. Zooming in on the last few days, we can see that the AUDUSD has been consolidating around the 0.69 level. This consolidation is characterized by indecision in price action, with smaller candles, and suggests a potential pullback or a breakout. The 0.69 level acted as strong resistance, but if the bulls can break through this level, it could signal a continuation of the uptrend. We'll be keeping a close eye on the volume to see if there's any significant buying pressure. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see the price action is becoming even more volatile, with choppy candles, suggesting that the market is uncertain about the future direction. However, we've observed a few things in the 15-minute chart that are interesting. We noticed a bearish divergence between the price and the momentum indicator. This divergence suggests that the selling pressure may be increasing and the bulls might be losing control. Let's switch back to the hourly chart and focus on the current price action. We see the price is testing the 0.69 level, which is the immediate resistance. If the price fails to break through this level, we could see a pullback. However, if it breaks through, it could signal a continuation of the uptrend. We also notice that the volume is decreasing, which suggests that the current momentum is waning. Now, let's zoom in on the daily chart and focus on the last few weeks. The AUDUSD made a significant run-up, but the recent price action suggests that the bulls may be running out of steam. The price is trading near its recent highs, and the daily candles are getting smaller, indicating that the momentum is decreasing. The 0.68 level acted as a support level, and we saw a strong bounce from that level. This indicates that the bulls are still in control of the market, but the momentum is waning. Overall, the technical picture is suggesting a potential pullback, but it's important to keep in mind that the market is constantly changing. This is where the news and economic data become very important. We need to consider the impact of current events and economic data to make informed trading decisions. For example, the recent data release from Australia showed a strong economy, which supported the Australian dollar. However, we also need to consider the upcoming economic data from the United States, which could impact the US dollar and therefore the AUDUSD. If the US economic data is stronger than expected, it could boost the US dollar and put downward pressure on the AUDUSD. Conversely, weaker than expected data could further weaken the US dollar, boosting the AUDUSD. To recap, the technical picture is suggesting a potential pullback in the AUDUSD. The price is consolidating near its recent highs, and the daily candles are getting smaller, indicating that the momentum is decreasing. However, the 0.68 level acted as a strong support level, indicating that the bulls are still in control of the market. The 0.69 level is the immediate resistance, and if the price breaks through this level, it could signal a continuation of the uptrend. We'll be watching for any significant changes in volume to gauge the strength of the buyers or sellers. In the short term, we see a higher probability of a pullback to the 0.68 level, as the market is showing signs of exhaustion and uncertainty. However, if the price breaks through the 0.69 level, we could see a continuation of the uptrend. The momentum is decreasing, so we'll be looking for any signs of a reversal. A break below the 0.68 level could signal a change in trend. Remember, this is just technical analysis and the market can be unpredictable. It's always best to have a well-defined trading plan and manage your risk accordingly. We'll continue to monitor the AUDUSD market and bring you updates as the situation develops.